Good morning, all of you. Welcome to my channel Om's Beautiful World. Today in this video, I will tell a story about Molly and his friends' dads. One day, Molly and his friends were playing in a park. Molly said, "I am Molly. Sophie and Sui are my friends. We like to go to the park, we sing and we talk and we talk and we swing, but sometimes I just listen." One day, Sophie said, "My dad is the best dad in the whole world. He is so strong. He can pick me up with one hand." Sui said, "Well, Sophie, my daddy is even better. He is so strong. He always wins the tug of war all by himself." Then Sophie said, "But my daddy is the cleverest daddy in the whole world." Then Sui said, "But my daddy is even cleverer. He always wins prizes." Sophie said, "But my daddy wins everything." Then Sui said, "My daddy is the bravest daddy in the whole world. He isn't scared of bugs or slugs or big fat fairy spiders." Sophie then said, "But my daddy, he is even braver. Giant snakes and giant spiders, they are all afraid of him. He tempts them with his fiery glare and fiery nostrils." Then Sui said, "My daddy can tame anything, even underwater. He loves wrestling with sharks and octopuses." Then Sophie said, "My daddy got bored with taming sharks. Now he tames dinosaur." Sui said, "My daddy is a magician." Then Sophia said, "My daddy is an inventor." And then Sui said, "My daddy is a king." Then Sophia said, "My daddy is an action hero." Sui said, "My daddy is a superhero." Then Sophia said, "My daddy is a super duper hero." Then Sui again said, "My daddy is Father Christmas." Then Sophia said, "Oh yeah." Then Sui and Sophia asked, "What does your daddy do?" Molly asked, "My daddy? He is an astronaut." Sui said, "Oh, you big fat liar." Sophia then said, "Nobody likes a show off." Molly said, "Did I ever tell you about my mummy?" My story is over. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.